Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix account picture setup failed error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are trying to set up a Windows account picture and not saving properly, then here are the fixes. The first one is open File Explorer. You may press Win plus E shortcut key to open File Explorer in your system. Here open C drive, scroll down and open Program Data. Here scroll down and open Microsoft, and here you will find account picture. User account picture. Right click on it and choose properties from the context menu. Here from the top menu bar, go to security and make sure that your username and permission for full control, modify, read and execute all are duly allowed for this selected account picture profile. If you don't find it enabled, then click on edit and choose your group or username and make the check against allow, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Make permission to your user profile picture folder, and after that check whether your account picture setting or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. Here type services.msc, click on OK. It will open services windows in your system, and in services windows scroll down and look for the option user profile service. Open it, apply a double click on it to open its properties, and make sure that service status is in start mode, running. If you found it in stop mode, then start it and go to a startup type and choose automatic. Finally click on apply and OK to save the changes, and check whether your account picture setting or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again open File Explorer by pressing Win plus E shortcut key and open C drive. Again here go to your users and open your user profile name, open it. Here go to app data, open it, open roaming folder, and here scroll down and open Microsoft. Here scroll down and open Windows, and here you will find account picture. Open it, and if you found any files and folders here, simply select all and delete it. It will clear your account picture folder caches, and check whether your account picture added or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to settings. From the left side, go to Windows Update, and here click on check for updates. And if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of Windows account picture not saving properly. The next workaround is go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute first these three DISM tool as shown on a screen one by one. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. Follow on screen instruction to complete the DISM tool execution. Thereafter execute sfc/scan now. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Wait for 100% verification complete, and after that don't forget to restart your system and try to set your picture account, Windows picture account.